benefit that you can contribute from it?
Okay. As you said, this fifth commandment is thou shalt not kill.
Yeah.
And so it is all about, life.
Yes.
It's all about fifth commandment is life. So life is given to us by God. It's the greatest gift that is given to us by God. Okay? And hence, since we have not given life to anyone else, we have no right to take anyone's life. So therefore, if we follow this fifth commandment, the thou shalt not kill, we will live in harmony, peace and amity with one another as one, brothers and sisters. Because as I said that we have no right to take life, because only God who has given life, He has the only right to take life. Therefore, it is fifth commandment is very relevant in today's world, because there are a lot of killings going on. People kill each other brutally and for their own personal ends. But we have to stop this one. We have to propagate, and this is one of the best commandments that can today the world should understand and follow, so that we become truly the children of God. Yeah? Is that fine with you?
Yeah.
Of God is thou shalt not kill. Are you aware of this, guys? As what I've noticed in the news today, it's more on about killing. It's because of poverty, unsolved problems, and
Yes, you're right about that, Annette. As what I observe in the community right away. People are now engaged in killing, kidnapping, massacres. They are now evil or evil thinker people. How about you, Jane? Do you have idea about it?
For me, there's so many things happening in our society, because our society is changing.
Yeah, it's really changing.
And most of them are involved in killing and
Abortion.
Yeah, abortion.
Abortion as well.
And abortion. And most of them are involved in abortion is the younger and the teenage.
Yes, young people right now. Yes, Jane. There's so many students who are involved in suicide and also unwanted pregnancy.
Yes, you're right. And it results also as abortion. Many teenagers are involved in that case because of unwanted pregnancy. It's not easy because you're young and you're an early mother, so they think that it's too hard for them to raise a child, and they decided to abort that child, which that
also
child are not have no that come here.
You should join in our conversation.
why should I?
Oh, it's because in order to inform yourself what about is now happening in our surroundings.
Yeah.
Do you aware about it?
No, I'm not observing our surroundings.
Oh, you need to be critical thinker.
It's sad to say that.
What?
We're talking about the different forms of killing, like
Why
suicide,
killing? There are so
abortion.
many issues in our society.
Because
Yes.
killing is the most
Trending.
popular or trending in our society, which is not wrong.
So what is
Which is not
Which is wrong.
Yes, Dom Dom, can you have a seat for a while? Maybe you're tired.
Yeah, I'm so tired.
Where did you from?
Somewhere down the road. Actually, I am planning to work my project to pass.
This time?
Yeah,
Oh, you're in the last minute. Always people do that.
yeah. That's Filipino.
Ah, we're
Filipino
Filipino,
culture
and
is.
we're proud to be. It's because we are Christian, and we are the person who's cut. Okay.
I hope that people will value their precious life.
Yes, because it is given by God.
Yeah.
So, what about you? Do you
Like,
agree also?
yeah,
Yes. So, as a
give value to your life.
yes, we are proud to be a Filipino. It's because we're respecting the sacred.
The sacred life or life.
Sacred
Because
life given by God.
Yes. Life is important in every individual, which given by God, and no one can take it away but only God.
God. Dum Dum, do you have some opinion about it?
About killing?
Yeah.
As what I have observed today, killing is so rampant in our environment.
Yun.
It can be
I
found
know that.
anywhere,
Yeah.
and that cannot be.
So, what's our suggestion? Maybe we need to be critical thinker and we should respect our life, and also we should follow the commandments of God and also the church as a guide by God from us. Do you agree that,
Yes.
beautiful lady?
We agree that
I
it's
do agree with that.
It's also caused by poverty because, example, in hold up, there is they can take a life, the sacred life called life.
Sacred
Because
life given by
life-
God.
Yes, life is important in every individual, which given by God, and no one can take it away, but only
God. Dum-dum, do you have some opinion about it?
About killing?
Yeah.
Yeah.
As what I have observed today, killing is so rampant in our environment.
Yun.
It can be
I
found
know that.
anywhere,
Yeah.
and that cannot be.
So, what's our suggestion? Maybe we need to be critical thinker and we should respect our life, and also we should follow the commandments of God and also the church as a guide by God from us. Do you agree that?
Yeah.
Okay.
I hope that people will value their precious life.
Yes, because it is given by God.
Yeah.
So, what about you? Do you
Life.
agree also?
Yeah.
Yes. So,
Give value to your life. We should reconcile.